When you're an engineering student, your laptop isn't just a device. It's your workstation, your coding partner, your simulation engine, and sometimes your only support system during long nights of deadlines, projects, and exams. And here's the reality. Not every laptop is built to handle that kind of pressure. From running heavy software like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, MATLAB, ANSYS, or even handling complex coding environments and virtual machines, engineering students need something powerful, reliable, and future-proof. That's exactly why in this video, I've carefully researched and selected the 7 best laptops for engineering students based on real-world performance, multitasking capability, GPU power, portability, and overall value for money. Whether you're in mechanical, civil, electrical, or software engineering, this list will help you choose a laptop that actually keeps up with your workflow, not slow you down. So let's get started. Starting with the best overall option on this list. The Lenovo ThinkPad P1 Gen 7 is what I'd confidently call the gold standard for engineering laptops. This is not just a typical laptop. It's a full professional-grade mobile workstation designed for demanding users. At its core, it runs on an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor with boost speeds reaching up to 4.8 GHz. That kind of performance is exactly what you need when you're dealing with heavy simulations, compiling large projects, or running multiple engineering applications at once. What really makes this laptop stand out is the 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. This allows you to run multiple resource-heavy applications side by side, CAD tools, browsers, simulation software, and background processes, all without any noticeable lag or slowdown. Storage is also top tier here, with a 1 TB SSD that offers both speed and capacity. Large files load quickly, projects open instantly, and you won't constantly worry about running out of space. Now let's talk about the display, because this is where things get even better. You get a 16-inch panel with a stunning 3840 by 2400 resolution. That level of sharpness makes a real difference when you're working on detailed models, blueprints, or technical diagrams. And when it comes to graphics, the NVIDIA RTX 1000 Ada GPU ensures smooth performance for 3D modeling, rendering, and GPU-accelerated tasks. Add to that the legendary ThinkPad build quality, and you've got a machine that's built to last for years. If you want uncompromised performance and long-term reliability, this is easily one of the best choices you can make. Next up, let's look at a more affordable yet capable option, the Acer Aspire 5. This laptop is perfect for students who want solid performance without spending a premium. It's powered by an Intel Core i7-1355U processor, which is more than capable of handling everyday engineering tasks like coding, multitasking, and light design work. With 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, you can smoothly switch between multiple applications, whether it's your IDE, browser tabs, or documentation. The 512 GB SSD provides fast boot times and quick file access, although you might eventually need extra storage depending on your workload. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen offers clear visuals and decent color accuracy, making it comfortable for long study sessions. Another thing worth mentioning is the design. The slim body and aluminum top cover give it a premium feel, which is impressive for a budget-friendly laptop. You also get modern features like Wi-Fi 6E, a 1080p webcam, and Thunderbolt 4 support, making it a well-rounded device for both academic work and online collaboration. If you're a first-year student or someone with lighter engineering needs, this is a smart and practical choice. Now moving on to a powerful yet portable workstation, the Lenovo ThinkPad P16's Gen 3. This laptop is designed for students who want serious performance without carrying a bulky machine. It comes equipped with an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, which means it can handle demanding engineering software with ease. The 1 TB SSD ensures fast performance and plenty of storage for all your projects and files. But the real highlight here is the display. You're getting a 16-inch OLED panel with a 3840 by 2400 resolution, along with HDR support and excellent color accuracy. This makes everything look incredibly sharp and vibrant, which is especially useful for design-heavy work. For graphics, it includes an NVIDIA RTX 500 Ada GPU, which provides a solid boost for 3D modeling and rendering tasks. And just like other ThinkPads, it offers excellent build quality and reliability. If you want a professional-grade laptop that balances power, portability, and display quality, this is a fantastic option. Now let's talk about a compact powerhouse, the HP OMEN Transcend 14. This laptop is all about delivering high-end performance in a sleek and lightweight design. It's powered by a 16-core Intel Ultra 7 processor, combined with 32 GB of RAM, making it perfect for heavy multitasking and demanding workflows. The 1 TB SSD ensures fast performance and enough storage for large projects and applications. One of the standout features is the 14-inch 3K OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It delivers sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and smooth motion, making it great for both productivity and entertainment. But what really sets this laptop apart is the NVIDIA RTX 5060 GPU with 8 GB of VRAM. This makes it incredibly powerful for rendering, simulations, and GPU-intensive tasks, all while maintaining a compact and portable design. If you want powerful performance without carrying a heavy laptop, this is easily one of the best options out there. For those who prioritize raw power, especially GPU performance, the ASUS TUF Gaming A16 is an absolute beast. This laptop is built for heavy workloads. It runs on an AMD Ryzen 9 processor with boost speeds up to 5.2 GHz, delivering exceptional performance for demanding applications. It also supports high-speed DDR5 RAM and large storage upgrades, giving you flexibility for the future. The highlight here is the NVIDIA RTX 5070 GPU, which provides outstanding performance for 3D modeling, rendering, simulations, and even game development. The 16-inch display with a 165 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth visuals and a better overall experience. It's a bit bulkier compared to Ultrabooks, but it makes up for it with durability and performance. If your work involves heavy graphics or simulation tasks, this laptop is a powerhouse. Now let's shift to something more lightweight and portable, the Acer Swift Go 14. This laptop is designed for students who are always on the move. It runs on an AMD Ryzen 7 processor, delivering reliable performance for coding, multitasking, and general engineering tasks. With 16 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD, it provides a smooth and responsive experience. The 14-inch display offers good clarity and color accuracy, making it comfortable for long hours of work. One of its biggest advantages is portability. It weighs under 3 pounds, making it easy to carry throughout the day. Battery life is also impressive, lasting up to around 9.5 hours. If you need a lightweight, affordable laptop for everyday engineering work, this is a great option. Finally, we have the HP Victus 15, one of the best entry-level laptops for engineering students. This laptop offers a strong balance between performance and affordability. It comes with an Intel Core i5 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD, which is more than enough for most academic tasks. But what really makes it stand out is the NVIDIA RTX 3050 GPU. Having a dedicated GPU at this price point is a huge advantage, especially for students who need to run design software or do light rendering work. The 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 144 Hz refresh rate adds to the experience, making everything feel smooth. While it's slightly heavier and less premium, it delivers excellent value. If you're on a tight budget but still need performance, this is a solid choice. So which one should you choose? If you want the absolute best performance, go with the Lenovo ThinkPad P1 Gen 7. If you're on a budget, the Acer Aspire 5 or HP Victus 15 are great options. For a balance of power and portability, the ThinkPad P16's Gen 3 is an excellent choice. If you want a compact powerhouse, the HP OMEN Transcend 14 stands out. And if you need maximum GPU performance, the ASUS TUF Gaming A16 is hard to beat. At the end of the day, the best laptop depends on your needs, your workload, and your budget. But choosing any laptop from this list means you're getting a machine that can handle engineering tasks efficiently and reliably. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more research-based product comparisons that help you make smarter buying decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.